What's up, ladies and gentlemen? I am that fantastical frog fanatic, and we are here with a beautiful day to battle some Pokemon. So, I want to show off my team real quick. So, what we're doing today is a rain-based team with our Chowdon and Politoed, Basculegion, Rotom Wash, Mega Dragonite, and Incineroar. So some changes I'm thinking about making before we get out starting is I want Incineroar to be able to do some more damage. So I'm thinking in Darkest Lariat. Although the fire coverage has been nice against steel types. So we're probably just going to keep them the way we are. Pokemon can only have 4 moves. It kind of sucks. Our goal for today is the Mega Feraligatr, right? Which we're just one level away from. So yes, you heard me right. The goal is not to win, but it is to just get our Mega Feraligatr right. Okay, what do we got here? Politoed Ranunculus, so it's a Rain Dance Trick Room team? Excuse me, what? Okay, so this is kind of scary. So I want to lead Incineroar to nothing super attack potent except for our Chaladon, right? Okay, so nothing else. Well, that Ranunculus hits hard, doesn't it? Rotom, Politoed. Is anything Hardwall Dragonite? Oh, that our Chaladon takes neutral damage from that. Our Chaladon's rough, man. Um, Steel Dragon is just such a defensive type. And fire just hits it neutral. Oh. I over prepped for our Chaladon. It is what it is. We probably don't walk out of this one with a win unless they just, I don't know. Who's gonna set the rain? If we both just, I walked into that one, man. I walked into it. See if we can 86 that Ranunculus before it becomes a problem. Let's see how much damage Earth Power does. Quick Claw. It's gonna Electro Shot. Oh, I fell for it hook, line, and sinker, man. We get 4-0'd here. Is Ranunculus bulky? Oh, that did more than half, so... good? Stamina. Okay, that sucks. It's not like Rotom's gonna get a hit off anyways. I could switch out, but what do I got that wants to take a +2 Electro Shot? Oh, screen's just doing work, man. Quick Call? Really? Yeah. Man, we got our butts kicked. We just ran into it. Quick Call activates, target Dragonite, we're done. That is all she said, boys and girls. Reacting to the Omni Ring. Mega Dragonite. Ice Beam. Man, I was hoping that one shot. At least our Chaladon's out. I don't think that does a whole lot for us. I still think we got our butts handed to us. So bulky Ranunculus not setting up the Trick Room. That's interesting. Oh, I brought in his Rotom Heat. So Hurricane on the Ranunculus, Surf on everything. Took out the Ranunculus, I guess. I don't know. We're just playing for points at this point. No way this one shots from half. Yeah, I didn't think so. 30%. Oh, we got the confusion, boys. This isn't over. Now it's over. That was a good game. No, it wasn't. Oh, it turns over on its side when it faints. That's adorable. Good job, Rotom. I played into it. It is what it is. I got read like a book. Do you go down, Rakes? That would be so embarrassing. Oh yay, Japanese characters. I don't understand this team. What is it trying to accomplish apart from type diversity? I don't know. I don't see anything that like wants to come into an Archaludon Politoed lead. Basculegion and Dragonite for damage. Just go hyper offensive here. King Gambit kind of scary. Just steel types in themselves are kind of scary, but we have Politoed to sort of deal with them. Sort of. Heracross and Victory Bell. I am so confused. Okay, so we're going to Electroshot. What is the problem, child? And then we're going to Icy Wind them both for speed control. My Chaladon should not be outspeeding everything like it is today. I got full speed investments. Like, it's not bulky. It's a hyper offensive Pokemon. That's not going to do a lot. Yeah, like, how do you... Our Chaladon's just such a tough Pokemon to deal with. Sweet Scent. Am I facing a bot right now? Okay. So, we're going to Electroshot the Victory Bell and Icy Wind them both again. So we're at +2 now, so I know it's not very effective, but we're at +2. Archaladon's just a menace, man. If you don't have anything that hard walls it, you got a problem. That'll take out Heracross. Oh, really? Arcanine. So Electro Shot on the Arcanine. Icy Wind. +3. I mean, Arcanine doesn't take a +3 Electro Shot. You let Archaladon survive to turn 3 in the rain, it's done. That's rough. So weather effect disappears. So why not send that out sooner? I don't know, but Dragon Pulse followed by Icy Wind. That's a +3, man. So we won one. Did we get it? Has it been accomplished? It has. We got the Mega Feraligatr, right? So again, I think Feraligatr fits into a rain team pretty well. I just don't know. We have 2 Feraligatrs now, don't we? I thought we did. We just have my Feraligatr. Did we not get a Feraligatr from the... We did. Huh? Question mark. Is there another Feraligatr like way down here? Oh, there it is. Ice Punch, Liquidation, Dragon Edge, Double Edge. So I understand the reason for Double Edge. It's max attack, max speed. Minus special attack plus speed. That makes sense. Is there anyone I could switch it out for? Go Hyper Offensive, get rid of Incineroar. Huh. We'll come back with a team specifically designed for that. But right now, I'm going to give you 3 battles today, even if I lose 2 of them. Okay, what we got here? Raichu, Scizor, Ceruledge, Sylveon, Gyarados, and Dragapult. Okay, so very hyper offensive-y. That's my lead. Archaladon and Dragonite in the back. Because I'm expecting them to just knee-jerk reaction the Ceruledge into the Archaladon. If it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen. Maybe lead with the Raichu. I don't know. Like, I'm outspeeding an Amoko in the Raichu with Basculete. Right? I know I'm outspeeding everything on the field with Basket Legion. It's got Swift Swim. Okay. This was what we were hoping for, right? We're going to Icy Wind them both speed control. Shadow Ball. Fake out on who? Politoed? Okay. That's weird. Oh, it didn't OHKO. Will-O-Wisp on Basculegion? Question mark. Are we facing a bot? Okay, now we will take out that Raichu. And Basculegion just isn't as strong as I'm thinking it is. Withdrew Dragapult, expecting the Shadow Ball into that area. Sylveon, nice. You love to see it. Shadow Ball into the Raichu. They get no moves this turn. That Raichu was the biggest threat. %9. Okay. Not what I would have done. Not what I would have done. Because now, like, my idea is to leave Sylveon on the field here. Because what damage can it really do? And that Dragapult... Oh, that'll hurt. Okay. Yawning Sylveon. Nice. Again, we're special attacking. +1. Does it OHKO from 75%? I guess OHKO isn't the correct term. It's OHKOing from 75%. Oh, Dragon resist electric. That was dumb. Dragapult clutch. Dragapult clutch. That was a pixelated hyper voice. Very nice. Sucker Punch comes into the Archaludon to kill. I'm so sure Icy Wind would have taken it out. Politoed just asleep on the field there. Why is it still faster after -2? So this entirely was just my mess, my creation while we lost this. Surely from +2 we outspeed. From -2 we outspeed. Right? I don't know, man. Hurricane doesn't one-shot that dragon. Yeah. I'm calling nonsense! Yeah, I didn't think so. That hurt. Good game. I was solely the reason we lost that. Let's do one more. One more. One more. Battle Avery. Okay, Battle Avery, you gonna give me a good challenge? Like 4 Pokemon. Lucario, Sylveon, Manectric. This team's kind of weird. Do I have anything that wants to take a... I think we Toad Incineroar. No. We Rotom Incineroar our Chaladon Toad in the back. I don't know, this team is weird. Because I'm like halfway expecting a Sylveon Lucario lead just for type effectiveness. Okay. Been wrong before. Flare Blitz into the Victory Bell, and we are going to Shadow Ball into the Manectric. Sometimes you just gotta put an item on something, man. Sure hope that wasn't your Mega. Agility? Am I playing a bot again? Definitely a bot. Gyarados! So, no! We're going to Parting Shot the Gyarados and Shadow Ball the Manectric. Okay. Why not do that to the water type? Now that we've cleared the Victory Belt, it could still be Lucario in the back, in which case it's going to be a pain to deal with the rain setup because my fire type suddenly doesn't do a whole lot. But now we get to see what his secondary Pokemon is. Gyarados can't switch out. It's stuck with the -1/-1. This is a bot. This is a bot. Earth Power on the Lucario and Thunderbolt on the Gyarados. This is not necessarily a bulky Rotom. That is max special attack. Nice knowing you, bot. The coverage is real! I'm still convinced that's a bot. Won 2, lost 2. That's a good day. Let's see what the latest reward was. Training ticket. For alligators, a trainer icon. That's cool. That's pretty steep if you want the Meganium. I don't know. This has been that fantastical frog fanatic, Dr. Polytoad. We are signing out.